Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. And today I'm going to show you how to set up your Google Calendar web application. So the first thing that I will need you to do now is to go to your Google account here. You will find your profile picture here if you are using the Google Chrome browser. Otherwise, all you need to do if you are using another browser like Mozilla Firefox or Microsoft Edge, you will need to search for Google or search for the Gmail. You can do it by going to Gmail, and here after you connect to your Google account, you will find this Google Apps icon. You click on it, and here you will search for all the icons that are contained here, and we are going to choose calendar as an application. After you click on it, it will give you the access and it will redirect you to the Google Calendar web application. And now all it remains to do is to add your calendars and creating your events, task reminders, or whatever you want. And basically, here in the navigation bar, you will find your calendars and other calendars. Basically, those other calendars are some calendars that are shared with you, so you can find them here. You can check them in if you want to see the tasks, etc. Or you can create your own calendars. And basically, to create a new calendar, all you need to do is to click on add other calendars. You create a new calendar, you give it a name, you maybe give it a description, and then you will create a calendar. And basically, after that, you will have your calendar that is set up. And by that, you will add tasks, events, reminders at any calendar that you want. So, for example, let's just have this one reminder uh, appointment appointment, and then you can add it to any calendar that you want. And basically, not the label, but here we have this calendar. This is my personal calendar because I need to add new calendars so I can add them or change these calendars. So basically I can just create a new one. Let's discard the other changes. A new one, new calendar, and create the calendar. And basically, when I'm going to create an event, the creation is in progress. And as I said, when I will start creating an event or something, I will find that I will be able to choose which calendar to use. And as you can see, either you can choose the new cal that I have just created, or you can use your own personal calendar. And by that, you will have your Google Calendar that is set up successfully. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.